Can ChatGPT make you rich? Let's find out.
Step 1. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm business ideas, create content, and streamline tasks. It can help you come up with profitable ideas without needing a huge budget. Step 2. Automate your YouTube or social media content with AI. Let ChatGPT help you write scripts, create video outlines, and even interact with your audience. Step 3. Use ChatGPT to craft compelling sales copy, product descriptions, and customer service scripts for your online store. Step 4. Scale up your business. With ChatGPT's help, you'll save time and focus on growth, leaving more room to make money. ChatGPT won't make you rich overnight, but it can give you the tools to build your wealth faster. Ready to start? Follow for more tips on financial freedom.